Welcome back. Look who finally made his presence known. And that is why I'm missing beet seedlings right here. Luckily over the winter I made a bunch of pegs, so this is going to make this job go a lot quicker. Since I'm redoing it now though, I want to make sure I have exactly 3 feet inside, so I can leave that stake there. This one needs to come up and another one needs to go right here. So that will give me exactly 3 foot bed space between the rows. And since I'm at this, I might as well remove what old border I can. And then I'm going to lay out 1 peg per foot. And now to make use of all these many saplings that's growing up here. Hopefully I can cut them all off with my small one and just trim off all the leaves. And I have my little whips for doing a wattle fence. Well, it's hot. I'm going to go down and see how far these go now. I'll have to start again late in the evening, early in the morning. These sticks are nice and pliable because they are young and green. Now I start off like that. That one's too short, you might be okay for up there. Now when I get to the end, if I build this wall all the way up here first, I'll have trouble getting sticks in that I want to go in this side. So I have to go all the way around the bed, around and around, rather than doing one side at a time. Now with this one, I started the first one on the outside, so the next one I need to start on the inside. That's actually high enough to, it's not a deterrent. When you live in an area like I am, there's no food desert. There's plenty of plants for the animal to eat. But wild animals, they get into a habit of where they like to wander. And sometimes it ends up being over your garden beds if you have an in-ground garden. And so you just need to put up some little thing that just guide them away from the bed. And so this is what I have done here. Now I have to just trim off the pieces that are sticking out that will be in the way. I'll repeat this now with the other bed, but just to mention, as they say in permaculture circles, you make the problem the solution. And where I collected these little aspen whips, there was a field, and it was a field for years and years and years. I was planning on putting fruit trees there, but there was some old aspen around the edge, so I decided to cut them down, and whoosh, up come all these saplings over the entire field. I was quite disappointed. But then I thought again, I said, you might come in handy. So I let them grow. And so they did come in handy. You can make wattle fencing out of them, you could do trellising or whatever. Anything you do with a willow, you could do with the little saplings from aspen. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it interesting. Hopefully give you an idea for your own garden. And come back for the next one. I'll see you in the next video.